How to fix Instagram story posting error easily and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix it easily. First thing, go to the settings on your phone, as you can see right here, and go to the apps manager, go to apps, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Scroll down until you find Instagram, and right here, as you can see, click on it and then click on storage. Then you will find here some data. As you can see, all what you have to do is click on clear all this data from here, then go back and click on the permissions and make sure to enable all those permissions, and then go back and now restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe.